Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I have caught on to a trend. Not too long after it became popular for a change. This, really kind of gross looking thing is a Glizzburger. And it was, developed by somebody, I think, called the Vulgar Chef. And it is kind of vulgar looking. And I don't care for the name very much, but I thought I would do it anyway. You take a hot dog. Of course, mine is a vegan hot dog. I use the field roast hot dog. And you cut a slit down the middle, and you pack it full of beef. And of course, I use vegan beef. I use the Beyond Beef because it's squishy and you can, squeeze it in there. You have to be kind of careful when you cut it, because it's easy to cut a crooked line. I used a fairly large chef's knife to cut my line. The first one I cut didn't work out very well. The second one worked out fine. Then I packed it full of the Beyond and fried it on both sides. Here I have it on a bun. There's some shredded iceberg lettuce down there. Some sliced red onion. Some sliced pickle, some sliced tomato, the burger with some mustard on top. There's Veganized on both sides of the bun. So now this is going to be a two-handed job. Let me put it together and take a bite. I had to take a few bites to get to the part where the hot dog and the hamburger can be eaten in one bite. And it's really very good. For all its vulgarity. The field roast weenies have that wonderful smoky flavor, and it really goes well with the Beyond Beef. So if you feel like it, try it. It's kind of like what we used to dream of when we were little that my mom would never do. We always wanted hot dogs with hamburgers together in one sandwich, and she would never do it. So now I have it. So I will put the recipe on my blog and link it in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community tab posts, Monday and Friday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you for visiting my community tab. And I will see you later, guys.